Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Caroline Kagure and I shoot everything beauty, lifestyle, motherhood. So make sure you subscribe if you fancy that type of content. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, give this video a like, subscribe, comment, share. So in this video, as you've already read as per the title, I'll be showing you different ways that you're going to be styling your box braids. Yes, 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 yes. So in this video, I'll be going to show you different ways you can style your box braids at home, and my sister will be helping me do that. So guys, stay tuned. They're easy peasy styles that you can do at home. Yeah, so make sure you like the video and stay to the end. So style number one, let's go. So this is the first style. Ooh. Like I like it, I love it. Like it's cute, it's giving, you know. So tell me if you'll try this hairstyle. Like so pretty. So let's go to hairstyle number two. Yeah. So this is number 2. Oh my god, I think I love this one more. Like, I love this one more. Oh my god. Hairstyle number 2. Let me know if you'll try it. So let's go to hairstyle number 3. Hairstyle number 3. This is how it looks. Love it. I obviously love it. Yeah, so let's go to hairstyle number 4. Guys, this is the 4th hairstyle. just a simple, like you just drop a few braids here and then you hold the rest like that. So yeah, this is very fast and quick to do. So let me know if you'll try it. Ignore my toddler, she's always trying to talk. So yeah, hairstyle number 4. Let's go to the last one and my most favorite. Now let's do my signature one that I had for this hairstyle. Actually, it's my sister who did these braids, and she's going to do the hairstyle she styled me on the first day. Okay. I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right. But it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous. Fact 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules. And I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got an internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. But if we met somewhere else, would things be different? Or am I wasting my time? Overanalyzing everything that I never said. Why can't I make up my mind? 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules. And I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got it. Internet. Guys, ignore the camera quality. It's already dark outside, so that's why it seems like it's a bit blurry, because it's around 7-ish or 6:50 thereabouts. So the lighting isn't that perfect as of now. But yeah, this is the last hairstyle, and actually this is what I feel comfortable while I'm at home. So overanalyzing everything that I never said. Why can't I make up my mind? 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules. And I'm a loser for thinking I've got any shot in the dark. Now it's hitting me hard. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? Okay, that's the last hairstyle. Oh my god, the lighting is so bad right now, but that's how it looks. Just a bun at the back, and then this hoop like that. So guys, that's the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment, share. I really appreciate your support, and until next time, my toddler, until next time guys, bye. Thanks for watching.